I'm really nervous. I'm scared to death. I'm teaching my daughter how to drive a car. I'm really nervous. I've got to do a speech in front of a large audience. I'm really worried. She's going to read my future. I'm really nervous about tomorrow. I've got an important exam. I'm feeling really nervous. I don't like needles. I'm really worried. I think I'm losing my hair. I'm really worried. I don't have enough money to pay the bills. I'm feeling really nervous. I'm expecting a very important phone call. I'm really worried. I think I've lost all my files. I'm feeling really nervous. I don't like going to the dentist's. I'm feeling really anxious. I don't have a job and I need to pass this job interview. I'm really worried about my wife. She's got a really bad headache. I'm so worried about tomorrow that I can't get to sleep. I'm worried about my daughter. She spends too much time on the computer. We're really worried about our relationship. I'm really worried about the future. I hope I can find another job. I'm afraid of catching a cold. I'm afraid of a mouse. Please help me. There's a mouse in the house. I'm afraid to look at the weighing scales. I'm so afraid. There's something strange in the sky. I'm afraid of ghosts. I'm afraid of God. Please don't hurt me. I'm scared to death of the dentist. I'm scared of heights, and I think I forgot to pack my parachute. I'm scared of giants. I'm scared of my students. They won't stop misbehaving. I'm really scared. The two boys are bullying me. I'm afraid of the cupcakes. If I start eating them, I won't stop. We're really frightened. Our parents are not normal. I'm scared of my mum. My mum is strange. Please tell me I'm adopted. I'm terrified of flying. I'm afraid of the dark. We're really frightened. This is a really scary movie. I'm frightened. The aliens have arrived. I'm frightened of my boss. She's always screaming at me. I'm petrified. This movie is too scary for me. I'm frightened of my boss. He's a bully. I know I'm a superhero, but I'm terrified. Please don't hurt me. The bowling pins are petrified. I'm shocked. I can't believe the price of this jacket. I'm shocked. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm shocked. The computer is giving me money. I'm shocked. I can't believe the price of the petrol. I'm shocked. Why has my daughter dyed her hair this color? I'm overwhelmed. I have too much work to do. I'm overwhelmed. Too many people want to speak to me. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I've got so much homework to do. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm going to go crazy. I'm overwhelmed. I've got so much laundry to do.